Oh, it's you. Welcome to Broadstairs and Flint House. I'm still pondering that question, where do you get your ideas from? One of my heroes, the thriller writer Colin Bateman, said that there's a shop on the Old Kent Road that sells them, but I wandered up and down there all morning and I couldn't find it. However, I did find this. This is a simple wood block from India, made of 2 bits of wood nailed together, and on it are carved some lines. And if you look, you'll see that they're a peacock feather. So what seems like a transitory throwaway item to me is gold dust. This is fantastic. From this, I can be inspired to make a mosaic like this. So, can you see this in this? If you can, then we're beginning to answer that question, where in the world do you get your ideas from?